So hello guys, what's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. This is just a quick video on a trade that took on card Swiss franc, and yeah, it was a beautiful trade. And I just want to show you guys basically how I got into this trade and got some nice profit and nice movement. Okay, now as you can see, first of all, we just want to get the structure. You see, we the overall trend in the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, I have some analysis here already. We see price break structure here. We see this change of character here that we got over here. First of all, we had the 4 hour change character. We have that 4 hour break of structure, which gave us the sign that yeah, we're about to go bullish. Yeah, that's it. So we have that 4 hour change character. We see the corrective pullback that gave us that extra confirmation. We see the corrective pullback. Okay, let me just remove. Okay, let me leave it. We have this corrective pullback here that gives us that extra confirmation, and we took the beautiful trade off from this demand zone here, and we see we have this nice change of character here. The M15 switching structure, price rallied up. We have that beautiful mitigation of this demand zone here, and as you can see, price cleared this liquidity here to mitigate this demand zone, and price also shoot up. And after that, we have this nice break of structure here, and we see price created this equal low, and this is like giving us the target level that we are looking at. Yeah, so now opening my chart today, I saw this nice Asian range that was formed right above this nice demand zone here. And as you can see, after the break of structure, we see this nice flip zone coming from this guy, this supply zone over here. Yeah, this supply zone break structure. And we see that nice flip coming from the supply zone over here. And yeah, as you can see, I drew my premium and discount. As you can see, price came to, we have this demand zone at the discount, I mean at the EQ, and yeah, it's a good zone to look at. Yeah, it's a good zone to look at. So what I have to do, as you can see, this corrective pullback to this demand zone is also a good confirmation, and it builds my confidence. So price cleared out the Asian low, we mitigated the demand, and yeah, after the mitigation, like I always say, when you have your POI mitigated, it's not a signal for you to jump into the trade. You must have that confirmation. And yeah, this is how I took the confirmation for this trade, because price might still retrace deeper. We don't know what price might do. We still have this nice demand zone here that price might come mitigate. We don't know what price will do, but yeah, we just want to do things with confirmation, because yeah, trading is a game of probability. So after the mitigation, what I had to do was I went down to the 1 minute time frame to see where I was going to get my N3 rules. Yeah, I have some entry rules that I take based on what I see in the 1 minute time frame, and yeah, I got those entry rules, and yeah, that was how I was able to take this trade with a nice risk to reward, about 34 risk to reward. As you can see, 1 to 34, and yeah, just a 1.8 pip stop. So guys, this is what I did after looking at the chart. Yeah, after looking at the chart, I saw this M1 change character here, and I was able to get this demand zone as my key zone, because I saw this nice supply to demand flip here, and yeah, we have this nice choke, and all I had to do was to wait for price to come back, and I had my limit order set here, my stop loss below the demand zone. You know, this is card Swiss franc, and the spread can be a little bit high. So initially on my MetaTrader, I had to set the stop loss about 10 pips stop loss out there about, so to avoid getting stop out. But as you can see, it was a beautiful trade. We have this nice mitigation, and price rallied up to the upside, and you can see this is a very nice trade. As you can see, I took partials at the few I had to close few positions, few lots at the Asian range here above. I just took few lot and allowed the rest to run. As you can see, I have my profit target just here, and all I have to do now is just to wait for price to hit my TP. As you can see, we are retracing, mitigating, and all of the stuff, and yeah, I already have some huge profit banked already, so I have that guts to just leave the remaining position to run. And yeah, so this is just how I just took this beautiful trade. As you can see, I followed market structure. I wait for the lower time frame. I waited for the lower time frame to give me that confirmation N3, and yeah, that was how I was able to bank this huge profit.